I think my experience of learning at Goals has been extraordinary. I never thought that it would be so enriching and so open in terms of its learning environment. I could manage my academics, my co-curriculars, as well as other things very well, because I had this constant backing up of the learned mentors at Goals, and I had amazing learning resources at my disposal 24/7. So I think that sets Goals apart, and it can really work wonders for all of us who have a lot of things going on in our lives, and it truly helps us balance academics and our professional and other endeavors. The professors at Goals are very knowledgeable and they're very approachable, unlike certain mediums where I think students struggle a lot in getting their queries redressed. So I think the professors at Goals were very open and very willing to help all of us out, and they were available at odd hours. We could call them up or write to them, and they responded very positively, and they went all out of their way to help students understand everything. And I think a lot of credit of my success does go to some of these professors who helped me a lot. I would especially like to thank Rama ma'am and S. Narayanan sir, who have been my professors since executive, and I would also extend my sense of gratitude to S. Balakrishnan sir and a lot of other professors who've helped me develop a lot of practical knowledge and develop a correct frame of mind to be able to study all by myself. I immensely benefited from my interaction, not just with the learned professors, but also with the other students. And I think at times listening to other people's questions and their doubts also helps us develop a certain pattern of thinking. So I think that really helped me understand concepts and memorize better. So I think the video-based training gave me an in-depth knowledge of all topics, and not just the topics but the subtopics and various sections of company law, and even the practical knowledge that I gained from those VBTs. So I think they're very detailed and very precise in that concept. So I think that really helped me have an in-depth comprehensive knowledge, because it covered everything that's there in the module. I found the live virtual classroom to be very interesting, because I think that there's this chat box where we could put in our queries and the teacher responded to that immediately. So I think one of the features that most online platforms lagged was there was no immediate communication with the professors. So I think the live virtual class provided an immediate interaction with the faculty members, and they were always very helpful in terms of that. I think one of the key features of archives was that towards the end we discussed question papers of the previous attempts, and also the exam preparatory course provided me with a lot of questions and a question pool. I could see other students discuss their questions and learn from that, as well as discussing my own queries in the live virtual classroom. So the archives did provide me with a lot of insight into what other students are studying and what their doubts are like. So I benefited from that, as well as the teachers' assistants, yes. I think the discussion forum threads are very helpful in terms of solving the queries, and I think a lot of students post recent amendments, and even the professors regulate that forum. So I think that's one very effective medium of learning. And other than that, the assignments are extremely helpful, because at least they kept me on track and they helped me understand my goals in terms of the right amount of chapters that I needed to finish in particular time. I think the exam preparatory course by Goals is one of its most unique features, and it truly helped me prepare myself for facing the examination. I think having 2 sets of question papers with a variety of pool of questions, and even having the opportunity to discuss that with the concerned faculty member, truly helped me understand my own mistakes and improve upon my weaknesses in that sense. So I think my message to all of you would be to make the best use of this wonderful medium, and I wish you all lots of good luck in all your future endeavors. Thank you.